What's the meaning of Attorney General? Attorney General. Attorney General.
Attorney General. Attorney General. The Attorney General is the chief legal officer of a country or state. They are responsible for supervising and directing legal affairs within their jurisdiction. The role includes advising on legal issues, representing the government in court, and overseeing law enforcement agencies. The Attorney General's duties also involve protecting the public interest and upholding the Constitution and laws of their country or state. Ultimately, they play a vital role in maintaining the rule of law and ensuring that justice is served in all matters.